How to reset a HP computer. So you just go Control-Alt-Delete, sign out, you go to sign in, you go down to the bottom right to the shutdown, you hold the left shift key on your keyboard, left click and go restart. Keep the left key pressed down until it restarts. It might be less, but I just play it safe and just go until it restarts, and then it'll restart in that mode where you can have several different options. It does take a while, it just does its thing. You stand by and follow these instructions exactly and you can't go wrong. So you go to troubleshoot, reset this PC, then you can keep your files or remove everything. I like to remove everything. And then it will just basically go and confirm, just so you make sure you don't make that wrong decision. It starts the process, it reboots, and it prepares it. So basically after this it will just say, are you sure, basically, and then it'll do a whole process that automates itself, and then it'll go into like the first Windows settings of selecting region and wireless network and account and all that type of stuff. So that's basically it. I'll just hold out just to make sure you see that confirmation screen. Oh yeah, you can choose cloud download or local reinstall. Gets things ready. And then yeah, you can fully clean the drive. This is the exact step-by-step way to do it. I think it should work for most PCs, but I'm just doing this one specifically on a HP today. It's just doing some processing in the background. Maybe it's slightly slower than usual, but if you follow these exact steps, that's it. That's it, that's the confirmation, and that's all you need to do. Just go reset and that'll do it.